Hey everyone, Xiaomi Youpin has introduced two new TV speakers, the Xiaomi TV Speaker 2.1 and Xiaomi TV Speaker 2.0, offering powerful sound and versatile features at competitive prices. Currently available in China, these speakers cater to users seeking enhanced audio quality for their home entertainment systems. The Xiaomi TV Speaker 2.1 stands out with its robust 120-watt peak power output, delivering an immersive audio experience. The system includes two mid-high range drivers, two tweeters, and a dedicated subwoofer for deep bass, ensuring rich and balanced sound. Priced at 599 yuan, or approximately $85 after a 15% government subsidy, the 2.1 model is an excellent option for those prioritizing sound depth and clarity. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi TV Speaker 2.0 offers a more compact and affordable solution without compromising on quality. With a peak power output of 84 watts, this model features two tweeters and two built-in subwoofers, providing a well-rounded audio profile. Both models come equipped with advanced features designed to enhance user convenience. NFC fast pairing allows for seamless device connection with a single tap, while a built-in display offers clear access to settings and information. Multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth, coaxial, optical, and HDMI ARC, ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices. Additionally, the 6 sound modes are tailored to various content types, such as games, movies, and music, allowing users to optimize their listening experience. The sleek and modern design of the speakers complements contemporary interiors, making them not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing additions to any home. For now, the Xiaomi TV Speaker 2.1 and 2.0 models are exclusive to the Chinese market, with no official announcement regarding their global release. However, Xiaomi has previously introduced its Soundbar 2.0 channel 15-watt speakers to international markets and offers the Soundbar 3.1 with a powerful 430-watt output for $199. This suggests that global availability for the new speakers might be a possibility in the future. In addition to its new audio products, Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi recently unveiled the Redmi Watch 5 and Redmi Buds 6 Pro earbuds at a major launch event for the K80 series smartphones in China. These devices are expected to make their global debut in the coming months, expanding Xiaomi's footprint in the wearable and audio segments. Xiaomi continues to strengthen its position as a leader in affordable, yet feature-rich consumer electronics. And the Xiaomi TV Speaker 2.1 is another testament to the company's commitment to quality and innovation. Thanks for watching. What do you think of the new column? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.